Hey guys, it's your girl Kaylee from Zippnada, and today I'm doing a review on drops. I'm super excited. You know you're an adult when you get excited about laundry detergent. So as far as packaging goes, I love it. It's all cardboard so far. It says save the plastic. Save plastic, save money. Very cool. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so it says we are all in this together. We believe in making sustainability and powerful cleaning accessible to all. Convenience with the conscious. Take a look at our laundry list. Plant-based ingredients. I love that. No animal testing. Very important. And compostable cardboard packaging. Great job. We set high standards to bring you peace of mind and to do our part for Mother Earth. Happy washing. So this is really cute and smart packaging right there. So I'm very happy with that. Let's see how to open this. So watch me. Oh, wow, okay. Oh, alright. So here are the pods. So this is supposed to be, I don't know if it's cellophane, but it's supposed to be biodegradable, so it dissolves in water, and then the detergent is in there. So, comes in these. I totally messed it up by opening it like that. So it comes like that, and I got 2 of them. So let's see how they wash. Okay, so we're here in my laundry room, and I'm gonna try putting these in. So I have like a Samsung thing. So usually you put the stuff in here. But I believe you just toss this in the washing machine. So I'm gonna do 2 loads and try it out. I'm gonna do one with my clothes and one with my bedding, and we're gonna see the results. So an honest review time. I really like it. So before we're using this soap, and this is quite common, it has I feel like they're kind of greenwashing, to be honest, because when you separate it, they have the plastic pouch. They say it produces or uses less plastic. That may be so. Both are recycled, so they say. But I made the transition to this one because after a lot of research, I felt that the ingredients were ingredients that I felt comfortable using. Again, your skin absorbs what's put on it. So anything, detergents, I wanted to go and see the impact. So these are their core beliefs. So just scrolling through here, I like that they show the ingredients, and you can learn more about that, how they do it. Eco-responsible packaging, carbon neutral shipping. This was my favorite, one of the big reasons why I chose them. That's a really great step. And yeah, so you want to make sure when you're researching this stuff that they have this kind of information on their website, because if it doesn't, then most likely it's greenwashing, and that's a really big sign of greenwashing. So going to ingredients. So ingredient transparency, that's really important, being able to see exactly what's inside. Again, if a company's not being transparent with you, that's an issue. Sourcing, ethical manner. So what does that mean? Convenience with a conscience. So they have certifications, which is pretty neat. Looking for certifications is also an important step in researching. be very mindful of what I was putting on my body. The smell I like because it's not like, it's a very fresh scent. It's not like super synthetic or super strong, but it does have a little bit of a fragrance and it just smells clean. My sheets were really, really bad because I have a dog and the dog sleeps in the bed with me, which makes my sheets really gross. So a lot of dog hair, a lot of like drool stains, very disgusting. But my sheets turned out looking really good. They smelled fresh. They looked and felt very clean. And yeah, I didn't have any like residue, or it didn't seem to mess up the washing machine. The only real negative thing I could find, so I would have to put these pods in like a container, so I could just like open it and grab them instead of like fidgeting trying to open the box. And on their website they say that have like ethical ingredients, but I haven't found any real detail into what they define as ethical ingredients and where they are getting their ingredients. It just says made with ethical ingredients, so I wish they were a little more specific with that. However, everything else I found seems to check out, and I am very happy with it. Happy with the packing material that they chose. I just find it a little bit difficult to open. It kind of just like goes everywhere every time I open it. So I think that currently is my only complaint with them so far. Other than that, I am really happy. So all in all, 10 out of 10 would recommend. The packaging, the product, I'm very happy with this transition so far. So if you guys would like to try it for yourselves, linked down below, there's a link where you can buy it through me. I get, it's like an affiliate link program. So if you guys want to help your girl out and you buy through that link, I get a small commission through that. But all in all, I would highly recommend this product. I was actually like really excited to try it because I researched a lot of washing soaps and washing powders and different sustainable like packaging, and this seems to be the company that I felt most comfortable using. Thank you all for sticking around, and as always, have a beautiful day.